Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me using some new makeup. One of the main stars of the show is going to be the Revolution and the Shrek collection Donkey palette, which is stunning. And we are using this on the eyes. We have a new lipstick from Beauty Bay from my mystery unboxing that I did with them, and a bunch of other products that I already love, some oldies but goodies in here. And you guys just get to see how I got this look, talk about some topics in my life, what's going on today, am I going anywhere after this, my thoughts on these products. If you want to know all of the tea, of course, just keep on watching. Alright, so first off, I'm going to go ahead and take the Lip Smacker Candy Apple Scented Lip Balm from the Dollar Tree. As you guys know, I did film a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. If that video is up already, I'll have it linked down below. But I haven't used this, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Looks like that. It is like a neon green kind of vibe. Looks like that. So interesting. Kind of smells like Thanksgiving. I don't know how to explain it. But it feels really nice and hydrating. Definitely gonna be a favorite. I can already feel it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows real quick using my Shop My Stash product for the month of January. Not sure when this video is gonna go up, but I am pre-filming a lot. It's just the SHEGLAM dual pencil. Comes with a pen side and a pencil side. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows quick and we'll be back. Or I'll just fill them in with you guys. Who knows? We'll just keep the cameras rolling. I finally got to wear my blue top from Shein. So nice. And I'm not even gonna go anywhere after this, but we're just feeling the filming vibes, so why not? Girl, these brows are thick. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and prime the lids using the SHEGLAM liquid concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes. I'm also just going to clean up the brows with this product. I think I just said that, but alright, lids are primed. I'm going to go ahead and take a new eyeshadow palette to me, which is the Revolution x Shrek collection. This is the little donkey eyeshadow palette. I actually did a whole video showing you guys all of the palettes that I got for Christmas for my boyfriend. And again, all of them were from Revolution, and this is one of them, which is again the donkey one. I just feel like this one was more my vibe. It just looks more smoky, and I thought, why not? And I think it'll go really well with the top that I'm wearing. So we're gonna go ahead and play with this today. I'm not gonna go anywhere because it is literally almost 9 o'clock at night. But I'll just tell you guys about my day. My mom's birthday is coming up, so she wanted to go watch Otto with Tom Hanks. So we went to watch Otto at the AMC, and then we went to eat afterwards, and that's pretty much what my day looked like today. So that's what we did. The movie was pretty good. It was pretty sad in the end, but it was actually a really good movie. I'm just taking the bolder shade, which is this one here, and I'm just kind of building it up. It is pretty light. It's a pretty light color. I love the fact that this actually comes with a mirror. This is just so convenient. Next, taking the deeper gray shade in this palette. Kind of want a gray, like a silvery shade on the lid kind of vibe for this look. Nothing crazy. Really nice. Ooh, it's honestly looking really good. So I am debating what shimmer to use. All of the bottom shades are shimmer shades, so it's 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. I really like that they kind of like divided it that way. But I'm thinking the silver on the lid. But there's also a shifty shade, which is this one here, that kind of shifts to purple and blue. So I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to see how that looks, but this almost looks like a topper shade. Let's see how it looks on its own. So I'm going to take some. Wow, yeah, it's like a very thin color. Even like when I'm like grabbing it, I don't feel anything on my lid. I mean on my finger, but I can definitely see it on the lid. It's like a shifty shade. It's really pretty. That honestly looks stunning. Love a good shifty shadow. I don't know, because I'm up close to my mirror, but I don't know if it's coming across as pretty as it is in person. Alright, so I do have my Romantic Beauty eyeliner that they actually sent my way, and this is their Flawless eyeliner. This is such a beautiful packaging. Again, Romantic Beauty, don't sleep on them. They have some really great products. So I'm going to go ahead and create a wing quickly using this liner. This is such a good eyeliner. Yes. All right, before we go on to mascara and lashes, I kind of want to throw on a little bit of the Milani Cherry Radiance Oil from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, I don't remember. But it's basically just a primer oil. So, there's like a lot of commotion happening outside. I don't know if there's a party. My neighbors, I don't know. But they're having fun from what I hear. I'm gonna throw that on. It feels really nice and hydrating on the skin. I'm also gonna throw on some of this before I forget, the Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer. I literally always forget to use this because it's so teeny tiny. Not that I need that much primer, but why not? This is basically just gonna blur the skin a little bit. Mascara I'm going to use is the Camo Beauty Mega Vibe Mascara. Yet another product I found at my local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It's so nice. It's actually really good. I don't even need to throw on lashes, to be honest. I'm still going to because this look, it just requires it. And I am planning on filming more than one video tonight. So hopefully, and this look is looking pretty good so far. First, I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. These are my favorite Ioni Cosmetics lashes at the moment. The Ioni Cosmetics lashes in Fluffy Natural Full. So pretty. I literally been adding these to all my videos. I love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on and then we'll come back and finish up the face. All right, lashes are on. They look so good. I love these lashes. So next I'm going to go ahead and take some of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This one here is in the shade medium. Yeah, medium 4. Actually, I haven't used this in a while. So I'm going to take just a little bit. Honestly, not a lot gets picked up. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, there is quite a bit on the doe foot. It's just like I don't get it on my face. I don't feel it on there. It's a very lightweight product. And I'm just going to blend it in with my fingers. This is going to give us a really beautiful glow to the skin. And I still feel protected because I do have oily skin, but I went in with primer first. So it's kind of just like a little layer underneath my foundation just to give me that glow from within look. I am planning on doing a full face of e.l.f. I might film that tomorrow. So I'm going to give you guys just a little taste of that. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, which I am trying to finish up, hence that video coming up because this is almost out of here. And obviously I'm going to repurchase it. It's really amazing, but now that I have it, why not use it for that video? I'm going to take about that much and just start blending it in. I use mine in the shade medium 330W. I feel like this color matches me pretty well. This is probably like my third tube. It's so good. You're just looking for a lightweight kind of foundation-y moment that's also affordable. It's a really good option because it gives you coverage but doesn't feel heavy at all. Go ahead and take my SHEGLAM concealer. Just want to say how crazy it is that I'm literally filming at night, because when I first started my channel I used to use natural daylight, and I haven't done this in a while where I put my my concealer in the middle of my face. I don't know why, or in the T-zone, but we're doing it today. And literally, like, I had to film early, and whenever it would get dark soon, like it's been these days, I just had the worst days because I was like, oh my god, I could have filmed, and just like time just went so quickly, and then sometimes it was cloudy and it would just mess up my filming. But not to say that natural daylight is overrated, because it literally, like, I've never gotten that much light even from these beauty lights. It just looks amazing, but it's a lot of work, and also it's inconsistent. So it's just so much better to buy beauty lights. Just invest in them if you're trying to start your channel. These two lights, I have like box lights, and they retailed for like $40 on Amazon, and they're literally still kicking after like a year, maybe 2 years now that I've been using them. Same light bulbs are still going strong, knock on wood, but they're so good. So yeah, and then I just get to film whenever I want, which is also a big plus. So the base is looking really nice. Concealer is so good. All right, for all over the face, well, first off, I'm going to take the HD high definition pressed powder from Kleancolor. This is one that I hauled, but I don't remember using it. So this is a mattifying finishing powder in the shade translucent, I'm sure, and it looks like so. I'm going to take some on my sponge and set the under eyes with this product. I literally don't remember using this. Oh yeah, it's translucent, but you can definitely see it already mattifying the under eye. And I'm going to take that on the T-zone area as well. Definitely not giving me coverage at all. It's just kind of mattifying the areas. And for all over the face, I'm going to take my City Color Airbrush Finish translucent powder, and it is a white kind of product. No cream products today because, again, I'm not going to go anywhere. So I'm like, I don't want to use them, but I love a good cream product as well. This powder is really nice. It just feels like chunky. It feels like big chunks of powder. I don't know why, but it's actually pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take my SHEGLAM Sunside Bronzer that is in my Shop My Stash. Looks like so, and this one is in the shade Sunset Walk. I have a good bronzer. Also, my other favorite step of makeup is bronzer. So fun. I don't know why. The blush that I'm using today is the Be Bella On The Prowl Blush Duo. I haven't used this one in a while. It does come with a mirror. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade here. I'm just going to start packing that on. I love myself a good blush. I've really been into filming these get ready with me's more. Again, I think it's a setup just because it's easier for me. And I have a table now, and again, I have my lights so I can film whenever I want. It's just like the convenient part of it that I love. And I also like chatting with you guys. Let me know if you enjoy these get ready with me's by giving me a thumbs up, and maybe leave a comment if you want. Subscribe if you're already there. I do these videos all the time. I love drugstore makeup, so why not stick around? Highlight for today is the SHEGLAM Moonside Highlight, which is one of their newer products. This and their bronzer are newer to their website, and this one here is in Moon Rose. It's like a pinky kind of vibe. I have used this on my channel before. It's just so stunning. I'm thinking no shadow on the lower lash line. I've been doing that lately, and I really like how it looks. So we're just going to do a little bit of mascara down the lower lashes, just a little bit. And some the brow bone. Alright, so that's what we're looking like right now. I actually forgot to fix the brows a little bit, to be honest. We need to do that step. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and take my Wonka Magic Hand Fudge Lip Liner. This one's in the shade Hot Fudge, and I did do a whole video using the SHEGLAM Willy Wonka collection. I literally forgot the name, so I'll have that link down below if you want to watch. But I am going to go ahead and use this lip liner here. Never noticed the actual lip liner smells like chocolate. So nice and creamy. Love their lip liners. I'm using a new lipstick. I also did a Beauty Bay unboxing of one of their mystery boxes, and this is the lipstick in Smile. So beautiful. It is like a nude. Oh, this is so pretty. You have a liquid lipstick to lighten this up, but I feel like this is already light enough. That looks so nice. I was gonna use this Romantic Beauty product, but I think it looks good the way it is. We're also going to go in with the Beauty Creations lip gloss in the shade Caramel Brulee, another favorite. And lastly, to set everything down, I'm going to use the Beauty Creations Dragon Fruit Setting Spray that's in my Shop My Stash. Smells so good. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really much enjoyed everything that we used today. This look looks amazing. I honestly wish I was going somewhere because, girl, yes, I'm definitely going to reach for this a lot more. It's just such a nice palette. Everything blended really nicely. Again, that shimmer shade I think just makes the look. It is a shifty kind of shade and it just looks nice. It's subtle, but it's like something there. And I feel like everything just goes so well together. So the palette I really much enjoyed. Again, if you happen to see it on sale or whatever, if it's at TJ Maxx, pick it up. It's a really nice color story. So I really much enjoyed that. And the other new product that we used was one of the Beauty Bay lipsticks in the shade Smile. So good, especially paired with the SHEGLAM lip liner and the gloss from Beauty Creations. Amazing. Everything looks so good, and I think those are all the new products that we used in today's video, but I really much wanted to do another get ready with me using some new products. So let me know your thoughts on this look down below. What was your favorite product from today's video? Do you have any of these? Let me know your thoughts on them. And we made it to the end. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.